Welcome back to Autohome VIP, the channel where you get the latest reviews, upcoming vehicle reveals, and deep dives into the most exciting machines on wheels. If you love cars, RVs, futuristic mobility, and advanced luxury vehicles, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today we're looking at something special, something that combines Mercedes Benz luxury with full-time adventure capability. This is the 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome, a next-generation luxury RV built for comfort, technology, and long-distance travel. The 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome represents a major upgrade in the world of luxury RVs. Mercedes has taken its advanced engineering from the Sprinter platform and refined it into a mobile home that feels more like a five-star hotel on wheels. From the outside, the new model carries a sleek, modern design with smooth aerodynamic edges, large panoramic windows, a high stance for visibility, and elegant LED lighting that matches the newest Mercedes lineup. The front grille features the signature Mercedes styling but with a more robust RV-friendly structure. This model is built to be both beautiful and durable for long highway trips, camping adventures, and full-time van life. Moving down the sides, the 2026 Motorhome includes power sliding doors, exterior storage compartments, full-size awnings, solar panels on the roof, and optional off-road equipment for more rugged travel. Mercedes has made improvements in insulation, weather resistance, and noise reduction, making this motorhome suitable for all climates and all seasons. Whether you're exploring national parks, long mountain routes, or cross-country highways, the 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome is designed to handle every type of journey. Now let's step inside, where Mercedes really shows its strengths. The 2026 Motorhome interior is built with premium materials including soft touch leather seating, wood-textured flooring, LED ambient lighting, and high-quality cabinets made from lightweight composites. The layout is flexible, with multiple configurations depending on the model. Most setups include a spacious lounge area with a convertible sofa, a dining table, a full kitchen, a bathroom with a shower, and a comfortable sleeping area that fits 2 or more adults. The kitchen area includes a modern induction cooktop, convection microwave, deep sink, refrigerator, and smart storage compartments. Everything is designed to maximize space while keeping the premium Mercedes look and feel. The bathroom features upgraded fixtures, improved ventilation, and a compact but comfortable shower setup. The bedroom area is one of the highlights of the 2026 model. It includes a memory foam mattress, overhead storage, USB port, LED reading lights, and optional privacy screens. Larger versions of the motorhome may offer upgraded sleeping options such as a queen-size bed or electric lift bed for more space versatility. Technology is another major selling point of the 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome. It includes the latest MBUX infotainment system, a full digital cockpit, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice controls, and integrated navigation designed specifically for RV routes. The control panel inside the motorhome allows you to monitor battery levels, control lighting, manage water tanks, adjust climate settings, and operate the solar energy system. Mercedes has also improved its onboard Wi-Fi and satellite connectivity options to keep travelers connected on the road. Powering the 2026 Motorhome is a refined diesel or plug-in hybrid system depending on configuration. The diesel option is based on a proven Sprinter engine known for durability and long-distance efficiency. The hybrid version offers electric assistance for quieter and cleaner driving. Both systems deliver smooth performance, smart efficiency, and enough torque to handle hills, towing, and heavy loads. Now let's talk about the pricing. The 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome is positioned as a luxury RV, so buyers can expect a premium price. The estimated starting price in the USA begins around $185,000 for the base configuration. Fully equipped models with expanded interiors, off-road upgrades, and advanced tech packages can reach between $220,000 and $260,000 depending on customization. Mercedes may also offer limited edition variants with exclusive features and higher-end materials, which could go beyond that range. Why should someone consider the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome? The answer is simple. It delivers unmatched comfort, durability, technology, and premium living experience on the road. For travelers, full-time RV users, or families who want the best in safety and comfort, this motorhome stands out as one of the top luxury RV choices of 2026. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome. Is this the future of luxury travel? Would you choose it over other RV brands? Your feedback helps us build better videos and discussions. Thanks for watching Autumn VIP. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and stay tuned for more upcoming reviews, new vehicle releases, and automotive breakdowns. See you in the next video.